Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam gold ring stand. And so what you're going to need some of this Bling Wrap in gold. And this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're also going to need, you will need some of this gold diamond chain. And this is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need a large piece of foam board. You're going to need one of these tea light holders on a pedestal. And so I've chosen to use the tallest size that they offer, but you could use whatever size you'd like. And then you're going to need a square mirror. I've got a pair of scissors here as well. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, or if you'd like to use your project extensively for a long period of time, you would probably want to use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this lighted glam ring stand turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. You can use this on bookshelves, you could use it on a coffee table, an entryway table. There's so many options, it's really very versatile. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys, another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.